What do you mean you don't know? What time is it?
I don't know.
You know what time you go on the bus?
I forgot.
Don't do that to your shirt. You look like you try to put your butt through it. Do something funny now.
Ouch.
Come on, get dressed. Hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. What are you doing?
What?
What are you doing? You gotta poop?
I forgot to wash it.
Wash what?
The toilet seat.
Oh, good job.
That's my child. And then the toilet paper.
Oh my god. Come on, hurry up and get dressed so you can brush your teeth
I just farted.
before you go to school. You smell like
That is
Jaden.
nasty.
You don't brush your teeth, your breath smell like Jaden's farts.
Ew.
Yeah, it's true.